Hey there, Amar here, and if you are an affiliate marketer who wants to boost the sales, explode the conversions, and stand out from the competition, then pay close attention because I'm about to give you my exact bonus system that I use to increase my own affiliate commissions. And the best part, you can clone everything in under 60 seconds using free tools. You are getting two stunning bonus pages, one for promoting your affiliate offer and the other one is to deliver the bonuses to those buyers. Plus you will have 4 powerful done for you PLR bonuses you can instantly give away to boost your value and make more sales. Everything is customizable, everything is importable instantly in one click, and it is 100% user friendly, and it uses only LeadsLeap share codes. Let me show you exactly how it works. So you will be getting a page just like this one where you right away actually you present the 4 bonuses you will be giving away for free for all those who decide to purchase from your link. So here we are presenting the affiliate offer that we are promoting, but right away we're telling them about the 4 bonuses they will be getting for free if they buy from our link. So this is a presentation of the affiliate offer that you'll be promoting. You can change it, of course. You can put here any other affiliate offer to promote while giving away these 4 bonuses to your buyers. So you can place a video here or you can place an image and then you give a brief presentation of the offer you are promoting, and this is your affiliate link for that offer. When your buyers buy from this button here, you will get the commission for this affiliate offer, but they know that they will get the affiliate offer that they are buying plus all the 4 bonuses described below. They will be getting them also instantly, especially if the offer is on Warrior Plus. So I'll show you later how to deliver the bonuses automatically when they buy the affiliate offer you are promoting. So these are 4 PLR packages. Actually, these are LeadsLeap capture pages designs, all of them. So there is a total of 74 done for you high converting landing pages that they can use in affiliate marketing or list building. So this is a description of the 4 packages, and here we remind them to buy from our link. Here there is a countdown for urgency to buy from our link so that they get the bonuses that are described above. So this is the bonus page. As you can see, it is professionally done. You can have a copy of this one just by pasting a share code and clicking one click, and then of course you can customize anything on the page to change the main offer you are promoting, and also maybe you want to change some calls to action. I will show you later how to do these changes. And by the way, you can even generate affiliate commissions from this page because you will be putting your affiliate links for these packages. You will be putting your affiliate links on these buttons that say check demo here. If they want to know what are these bonuses they will be getting for free, they can of course click on the check demo here so that they will see the sales page of that particular product or package. And guess what? You can just go to the bottom of the page, click on this affiliate link here, and you will be able to get your affiliate link from Warrior Plus, and you will be putting it right here on this button. So if anyone is interested only in this particular offer, they will just buy from your affiliate link and you will be getting 50% commission. The second important page that you will be getting a copy just like this one of the delivery page where you deliver the bonuses for your buyers that bought that affiliate offer. So this page you will be able to instantly import it to your LeadsLeap account. There is not much to change here. So we are thanking them, and then we'll show them how to use the 4 packages, how to import those landing pages, and then you can of course cross promote here something. I'm cross promoting an affiliate offer here, another one, and then I give them access of course to each bundle, to each PLR package using these green buttons here, get free access here. So when they click get free access, they will access this PLR package here as well. So 4 of them, 4 bonuses, they will get access to them. And then again, you can promote your own LeadsLeap link. You can of course cross promote another affiliate offer, etc. As you can see, there is not much to change here unless you want to put other affiliate offers here, put your affiliate link, and you can do that as well at the bottom to promote other affiliate offers. As you can see, you promise them in the bonus page, you promise them access to 4 free PLR packages, and on this page you deliver those products to them. Very, very easy to do. Let me show you one quick thing. It's how to deliver the bonuses instantly when they buy specially offers from Warrior Plus. So you get this link here of your delivery page, you get it, you copy it, and then you go to Warrior Plus, you find an offer, and then you click this button here. As you can see, you have your affiliate link here. You click this button here, list settings, and it will show you exactly where you need to put that link. You save it, and that's it. The buyers will get access to the main offer they bought, and also to the bonus URL that you will be pasting here and saving it. Now let me show you how easy it is to import and customize those 2 pages. So head to your LeadsLeap account. A free account is enough for this, but if you want other advantages, you can upgrade later. Well, you go to Page Manager here at the left side, you click the blue button, add a new page campaign, and you give it a name, and let's give it, for example, bonus. This is the bonus page, or bonus page, just like this, and then click add now. Now the page has been created and we want to import that design. To do that, you need to click on this button here, add new page design, and in this box here you just paste the share code and then click import now. When you do that, the design will be instantly imported, and as you can see, if I want to check the link for the new page, I click on it, and here is exactly the bonus page that we saw earlier with all the packages described inside, and the action buttons here, the calls to action, everything is there. And most importantly, you can modify anything on this page. So you go back to your LeadsLeap account and open the editor, open the page in the editor using this button here. Just do a simple click, and the LeadsLeap editor is very easy to use and manipulate. So you have everything, what you see is what you get. I mean, you can select anything, like for example this text here, you click on it once and you modify here on the right side, and you have the save button here. You can change the colors if you'd like to, so you click here, change the colors. You can modify anything. This is a video, this is the code for the video. You can grab the same code from YouTube to another video. If you would like to promote another affiliate offer, you can just grab a video from YouTube and put the code here, or you can delete this video and put an image if you prefer an image. You can of course change the description of the main affiliate offer you are promoting, change the wording in the call to action, and here, very important, if you want to put your affiliate links on these buttons here, please go ahead and do that. How to do? Let me show you. So when you import the page and you see it on your browser, just go to the button here, click check demo, and after that go all the way down to see the affiliate menu here, click on it, and then you request your affiliate link from Warrior Plus, you copy it, and then you go back to the editor, put your affiliate link here that you got from Warrior Plus, click on the button and change it right here. So you put your affiliate link and don't forget to save. So keep doing that for all the 4 packages, and at the bottom don't forget to put your affiliate link for the offer you are promoting, the main offer you are promoting. You get your affiliate link and put it here on this button and also on the above button right here. So you have 2 buttons that you need to put your affiliate link on. So this is how easy it is. You just choose which affiliate offer you want to promote and then get your affiliate link to that offer, put it on these 2 buttons here, this one and the one below, and everything is done for you. Of course, don't forget to put your affiliate links for these offers, individual offers, on this button here, and then you save the page. You can change anything you want in this page so that you maximize your conversions. Now, I just showed you how to apply the share code to get the design. This is your newly made page. This is the page that you will be promoting to entice buyers to buy from you because of the bonuses. You do the same thing with the delivery page. Let me show you something here. So in the delivery page here, you don't want to change anything unless you want to change the cross promotion here for the offer 1, and here you put a second offer here just in case people are interested. You will be making more commissions. So thank you very much. This is what I wanted to present to you today. I will see you on my next videos.